For many of our clients, this is the first time they're purchasing a hospital bed. And if that's you, rest assured you've come to the right place. You may be asking yourself, how does this process work? Well, in this video, we'll take you through the 5 simple steps. Selecting the correct bed and options. Determining your method of payment. Placing your order. Coordinating your delivery and installation. And finally, using your bed. On the beds page of our website, you'll be able to see all of the bed styles, widths, mattresses, and accessories. You can browse and decide on your own, or work with one of our bed experts to determine the best choice for you and your loved ones. The first question we often get is, will insurance cover it? And unfortunately, the answer is probably not. Medicare and similar insurance plans will only cover the most basic, partially electric beds. If you have premium coverage or long-term care insurance, you may be reimbursed for some or all of the cost of a premium bed. In that case, we're happy to provide you with a quote. The vast majority of our clients purchase using a major credit card. We can also accept checks and transfers, and if you require it, set up your own personalized financing plan. Once you've settled on the best bed package, you can place your order one of 2 ways. Either online through our guaranteed safe checkout, or over the phone with one of our bed experts at the toll-free number. And while our staff does appreciate good reviews, none of our bed experts are commission-based, so we want you to order in whichever way you're most comfortable. All orders arrive directly to our customer service team, and you'll receive 2 emails. One with your order confirmation with all product details, and another with your full transaction receipt. After you receive your order confirmation, you'll receive a call from our logistics department to discuss a plan for your delivery. They will provide an update on delivery timing and review any specific details regarding your installation, like stairs, gates, or tight locations. Anything that will help the process go more smoothly for you. Finally, you'll hear from the local delivery team in order to coordinate your specific time window. If you've selected our white glove delivery, our trained installers will bring the bed to your room, set it up, perform a full function test, and remove all packaging so your new bed is ready to go. Now it's time to use your bed. Get familiar with the operation of your hand control and the rails, and find your best comfort positions. Finally, please know that our service doesn't end after your delivery. Whether you need a different option or accessory because your conditions have changed, or some support from our full parts and labor warranty, we're here to take care of you every step of the way. Thanks for visiting SonderCare. We look forward to hearing from you.